Guys, talking about sponsorships, I would like to share a great news with you guys. I am finally sponsored by. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel AMD Cubing, and in this video I'll be doing a reaction video towards cubing encoded and things that all cubers love. But guys, we'll be reacting to this video. Like, I watched a small preview of this and then it's kind of good, so I thought of making a reaction video out of it. So let's get reacting. Yeah, that's true. Guys, have you guys been into an actual competition? And if you did, like, did you find anything nearby? Because when I used to live in Dubai, the competitions used to be like kind of nearby, but not like really.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's like, I would say it's far away. Like, it took me like 2 hours to like just reach there, another 2 hours to like come back and everything. So I didn't have this luck which he had, others would have, and even in Kerala as well. Like, I thought of going to a competition in Kerala like a year ago, I think, but then the nearest competition was in Trivandrum, so I couldn't go that time. Guys, talking about sponsorships, I would like to share great news with you guys. I am finally sponsored by Cubello. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm not. That was just a joke. But anyway, like, I'm not sponsored yet. I have emailed Cubello about this, and then they wouldn't be picking sponsors like all year. They'll be only taking them in specific month, February. So I'm having a chance at that time, 2021 February. I will again try to join the sponsorship program. I hope I get sponsored, but yeah, I'm not sponsored yet. That was just a small joke which I made in the start. Okay. Have you guys ever been into like a situation where like you guys are very happy to make the cutoff? I never found it difficult to like make the cutoff. Like, in my competition, the cutoff like a way more than what my usual times was. So the cutoff was like a minute and 30 seconds, while my 3x3 average would be 25 seconds. So the only time which I failed to make the cutoff was in 4x4. So my third competition which I went to in GMS, Gems Modern Academy, I was doing this 4x4 solve, and then I was using the beginners method, so I was very slow with it. But then, because we were not running in a schedule, what happened is the cutoff was reduced to like a minute. So then only like 8 people got qualified out of like the 30 or so people, and then they made that the finals. And then yeah, that's the only time where I was slower than the cutoff. I want to go back around like 5 seconds time. That's a GAN cube, by the way. He put out a GAN cube to take 2 other budget cubes. But yeah, guys, one thing which is being better in these days is that the better cubes are getting cheaper. Like RS3M, that cube is like really good. Like, I haven't bought it yet. I might do a review on it, but yeah, that cube is really good. It only costs $9, and the only problem which people are having is that the magnets weren't too strong. So to do that, they also made another package where they could buy like 48 magnets or so, and like they could just easily put it in, no glue, nothing required. Just put this magnet in, close the pieces, and then like put it back in, and then it's like a really good cube. I'm planning to buy that cube, but I'm really fine with my current main. Yeah, but if you guys are looking for a cube which is like quite good enough, then I would highly recommend RS3M 2020. It's like really good. I would do the same thing for you guys. Like, recently I've been uploading a lot in this channel, so if you guys want to like subscribe to this channel, it would be great. And I'm creating content, and the best part is it's free,
And that's a great price.
so if you guys want to like subscribe right now, make the red button into a gray color, then it will be real cool. And if you guys are down there, make sure to like this video as well. It will mean a lot to me. Your one like would actually help this channel quite a lot, so make sure to do it. His cube collection isn't a joke. He's having like a lot of cubes. Not gonna like, he's having like 450 cubes, by the way. This is a lot. Yeah, I also enjoy solving new cubes. Like, I have solved almost every cube, like every WCA puzzle. The only thing I did not solve is a clock, since I don't own one, and I don't really think that I'm gonna own one as well, because in the competitions which I went to, there wasn't an event clock, so I never went for it. Yeah, that was a great video by Cubing Encoded. 10 things which all cubers love. That was like practically really close to all the things which made me love cubing. But guys, I'm gonna leave the link for this video in the description down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, AMD Cubing, as well as my gaming channel, AMD Gaming, for more uploads. We'll see you next time. Peace.